Good afternoon. My name is Brian Carrera, and this is project number 7. So what I create here was an app that saves tasks or create task. Let me run it again. So what we do, we have one saved. What was Jim, and we can change the date. We can edit the description. Just call it again, BJ tournament. And then the title will be, just say, Gene. And we just press it done. We can get another stats. It's a project. TCS. We can change to the same date. I think it was the 26th that we chose. Then when we it will be sorted by the time that it was clicked. So this is uncompleted. When we click it, it's gonna show incompleted on the top of it. But when we click the other one to complete, Jim's gonna be completed first, and then second project. So what we did over here was add the code and extension task. So over here, what we did was save the entire array of tasks to the function called, I think it was called user default. And this method is used to use whenever we want to overwrite the task, as we just did. We cannot convert it straight into data from user default, so we had to something like structs, which is the task. So we had to convert it from array into data using the encoder JSON, which is what we did here. Then we save the code into the task with the keyword, and then we label it so we can use retrieve the data later on. Over here, in the static function get task dash, we load and return the save array of task from the user default. So over here we're trying to get the data saved from the user default from the key name task. If there is no data saved yet, we just return an empty array. We convert the data back into the array, and we return the decoded task so all the view controllers can use them, which is gonna be any of these view controllers. And then the save function, we just save the current task. These updates if these already exist, or that's the new task if it doesn't exist yet. We upload them, look for a task in the save array that has the same ID as the current task. If this found tilde, it replaces the old version. I mean, if there's a similar task, it will replace the old version. And I think that will be it. So I think we already showed this bar, which is the day. We can close it out, or we can rerun it. Let's get if I can close it out. So here the same, and it's safe. Thank you.